If you guys want to know the struggles of making YouTube videos, I'm going to leave you in behind the scenes here. I'm an idiot. I was walking, fiddling with my GoPro battery at the same time. Accidentally popped out my little memory card, which has all my footage for the last 2 weeks. It's somewhere in the grass. Did I mention there's a thunderstorm bearing down on me? I got to get to sifting through the grass here and find that thing, or I'm going to be very, very upset. 10 minutes later, literally like looking for a needle in a haystack. But I found it. I wish I was making this up, but this is what my life's really like. Now I can get back to work.